Hi, I'm going to show you quickly how I go about making breakout channels, which I use as separate rooms for students to work together in small groups with. So up at the first title of the class, Applied Physics T, ... you click on it, and from there you can add a channel. I name my channels just Breakouts 1, 2, and 3. Add it, and it shows up right here. You can tell students to try to find the channel, join it, and make a meeting. What I like to do is get a link to the channel and then save it someplace so that when I tell students, a couple students, to go to Breakout Room 2, instead of having them fumble for it, I just paste this link, Breakout 2. This is in a Word document, so I can keep all the links for all my classes handy. You right-click on what you want to make the hyperlink, boom, and you paste the address. Okay, so what I have now is this piece that I can just copy and paste into the chat. The students click on Breakout, and they're good to go. For this class, what I did is I have the groups already made out. So when I paste these, Griffin, Brady, Hannon, Wyatt go to Breakout Room 1. These guys go to Breakout Room 2. These guys go to Breakout Room 3. And then I leave a couple students in the general chat. So I have 4 breakout rooms. One of them is the conversation that we started with. And that's a good catch because if you have a student that just can't figure out how to do the breakout room for some reason, they can just stay in the general and join that group. So when you click on this link, you get brought right to the team's breakout channel. Breakout 2, the one I just made. Then all they have to do is click the Meet button, and in that group, small student group, they can share each other's screens, they can talk, they can do all that stuff. So I'll just go over the steps of making the group again. ... Add a channel. You can call it whatever you want. I'm a fan of the breakouts. Copy it, and then boom. I like to get a link to it. I think it makes it easier for the students. These links are really long and obnoxious. I mean, they're just difficult to, you can't actually read it to a student. So I paste them. I make hyperlinks. I just make words that they can click on. Breakout 3. Highlight it again. And when I right click, I get all the options, and I want to link it to this. So there, now I've got all the breakouts. I do like to have a link to the general in case, kids need help getting back to where they started. So I've got links that I can keep posting to help students navigate through teams. But again, there's a lot of people that have already figured this out, so there's a lot of help out there if people want to start doing small groups in their online classes.